At Ideal, we know the job the way you know the job. And when it comes to Datacom, we know you don't have time to second guess a connection or redo the work. You need absolute accuracy every time. So we developed a system that delivers just that. Introducing the Ideal Feed-Thru modular plugs and FT45 crimping tool. Engineered to work together perfectly, the connectors are designed to smoothly guide and seat each individual conductor into place, so you can verify the order of the wires prior to crimping the connector. The FT45 crimping tool completes the termination process, providing the simplest, most effortless way to cut and crimp each connector. You get a flush cut every time. It's absolute accuracy down to the end face of the connector. No leftover wires, no scabs, no issues down the road. And that's what confidence looks like. Confidence you don't get from a standard connector. Absolute accuracy means no wasted parts, no wasted time, no second guessing. Because when you're connecting our world, you need tools you can rely on. You need absolute accuracy. We've got you covered. The Ideal Feed-Thru modular connector and FT45 crimping tool, only from Ideal.